Hi, I'm Neta, and this is Dianxi Xiaoge. She uses short, fast takes showing her product's preparation. Now we know that we are talking about Lotus. Today I would like to react to one of my favorite videos. Lotus has an important role in China's culture. There is an expression that the lotus is just like an honored man who grew up in a bad environment and has not been infected by it. This reminds me of a cartoon from the 80s called The Little Beats. Smile is her trademark, and as you know, she comes with a bamboo hat and a companion, Dawan. Xiaoge is famous for her authentic food videos. Get a closer look into Yunnan province kitchen. In this video, Dianxi Xiaoge will show us how to make lotus root stuffed with sticky rice, crisp lotus root with passion fruit, steamed lotus root, and also how to make a lotus powder with its starch. Also, we get to spend private moments together with her family. Let's continue. One of her most touching videos includes her taking photos and speaking with the locals. Dianxi Xiaoge was born in April 4, 1990, in Baoshan, Western Yunnan. Her real name is Dong Meihua, and her media name is Dianxi Xiaoge. Dianxi represents the area she is living in. Xiaoge means little brother. It also represents a bold personality. For a while, her friends thought that she is the girlfriend of a person named Dianxi because of the name Little Brother Dianxi. You can feel how excited they are about getting their picture as a gift. This is not just a cooking channel, as it gives us cultural experience and a peek to her daily routine in the village. She is using a leaf in the bucket. Continuity. Okay, so she adds explanation to it. Lotus root has many advantages and it comes with a sweet flavor. The recipe. Cut the lotus head and carefully stick in the washed rice. Now cook in boiling water for 3 hours and you got it! Dirty fingers! She is hardworking. Okay, I want those shoes. Did you notice she was out in the field with them? And their working equipment is clean and organized. That is high maintenance. A bowl that size will take most of my living room. If you're curious about the ingredients she uses in her videos, she writes all the ingredients in her WeChat channel. Using a log of wood and changing it once in a while must be nicer than using the plastic ones. This is her YouTube description. I am a local Yunnan girl. My name is Dianxi Xiaoge. People who know me well call me Jian. Both my family and the peaceful village are shown in my videos. I film seasonal ingredients, special local products, really anything that reflects the uniqueness of Yunnan cuisine. All the inspiration behind my videos comes from our daily meals. Come with me to explore the authentic Dianxi, the place where rivers and mountains come to life. All the inspiration behind my video comes from our daily meals. Okay, that's what makes her so authentic. Oh, wait for a second. Okay, now we are good. We can continue. Did you notice that her shirt matches the meat? That's style. So in Yunnan there is a variety of customs, food, and cultures which are unfamiliar even for Chinese people. Yunnan province has special food due to 52 ethnic minorities living there together.
Fried lotus is an excellent snack with a side dish.
Friends call her Apen Jian, which means sister Apen.
You have to fry it deeply and add a sauce that you like.
But her nickname is Apen Ji, bucket of chicken.
Passion fruit is an excellent option because it has antioxidant and can boost your immune system.
KFC! Why does she call Apen Ji? After she was born, her grandmother came to visit. Her grandmother held in one hand a chicken and in the other hand a bucket. There is a Chinese tradition that says that when the family comes over after a baby was born, the first thing they will hold in the hand will be the child name. Let's go back to August 2010. There was a big earthquake in Sichuan province inside a small village called Yingxiu. On that time, Dianxi was a police academy student who came for an internship in the same village. She helped to rescue many citizens.
The Sichuan Police Academy has a police master's degree. Situated in Luzhou in the province of Sichuan and was founded in 1950.
2011. Dianxi and two of her police academy friends took a bus. Quickly it was burning in fire and a woman caught inside. Dianxi could not avoid the woman's request for help. Her university considered her as an hero due to this novel action. After graduating, she moved to the big city, my favorite city, Chongqing. She worked there in startup company at internet department. In 2016 was the year that her father got ill. She decided to come back home and help support her family. She started to create food videos. They look so tired. The end of the day tiredness. She was inspired by Chinese women on the internet like Papi Jiang.
In her online shop, she sells the Lotus powder. With the addition of boiling water, it is easily converted into refreshing and cooling dessert.
Working on those platforms, Weibo, Bilibili, Douyin. Her start was not easy as she kept telling to herself, maybe I'm not too talented, I'm insecure, I don't look good. I am not like the other online celebrities, being afraid of negative comments for her videos. That is why she decided to avoid the comment and focus on her goal. It was hard to work without an income, but she kept encouraging herself to go forward and do it. She took her videos using iPhone 6. And after a few years, she moved to Sony A7. During the first 2 years, she was wasting all of her savings on video creating. I like the end explanation. Slowly she gained fans. 2019. This was the year she joined YouTube. Her big outbreak was due to one video introducing hamburger to her grandparents. This video got almost 9 million views. 9 million views, and at least 3 of them are mine. So if you're wondering about their dog Dawan, he is a star on his own. But this will be my next video. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and Zai Jian.